Number 3, top reason besides the 5 pillars that a non-Muslim accepts Islam and gets attracted is the concept of life after death. That is, believing there is life after death. Because when you look around us, there is so much of wrongs happening, there's so much of criminals, so much of injustice being done, and you wonder, how is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowing this injustice? Is He not capable of stopping it? Allah gives the reply in Surah Imran chapter 3 verse number 185 that every soul shall have a taste of death and the final recompense will be on the day of judgment. And this life is a mere amusement. If you enter Jannah, you have achieved the objective of this life. Because this life is just mere tools. So here we know that the final recompense is on the day of judgment. Imagine if you have to think of Hitler, the person who we know who has killed the maximum number of human beings in the world. History tells us 6 million. Even if you catch Hitler today, what punishment can you give him? Maybe death. That will compensate for one. What about the remaining 5,999,999 human beings he has killed? The only reply to this is Allah will give him the final punishment at the day of judgment.